Hey guys, this is Ahano Festus aka Feshi Baba, and I'm going audio today because there's something I really need to there's an information I really need to pass on to the TBC community urgently, and I'm not in an environment to make a video. I think that's why I'm going audio. So um there is currently maintenance going on in TBC. The web wallet is being maintained, is being upgraded. Maintenance is ongoing right now in the TBC 004.net website. So I'm making this video because of complaints and people are kind of causing panic on social medias. So I just kind of created. I'm trying to create this video so that I can clear that issue, can clear out the issue and address everybody at once. So sorry for going audio. You just have to bear with me. Now this is very urgent, and I want everybody to take notes and everybody to take this down and pass it on to other TVians who are trying to going to social medias to say all sorts of things and I make all sorts of complaints exactly. So the web wallet is under maintenance. So first things people, the first complaint people are making, I'm seeing that everywhere. They're saying they cannot register on the Kringles cash registration page. Now when you register on the Kringles cash registration page, you automatically get a web wallet. And now the admin has actually given us information that the web wallet is undergoing maintenance, including the database of the web wallet. The database is undergoing maintenance, so it has been put down to avoid any kind of lag. It has been put down to avoid any kind of request coming into the database. I'm a programmer and I'm a pro at all these things, so that's why I'm trying to taking my time to explain things to the TBC community. So I want everybody to listen attentively to this. Now it will be put down, it will be disconnected from other websites, so you cannot for now register on the Kringles cash registration page until the database of the web wallet is back up and running. So that is why you get that message of it keeps processing and then at the end of the day it doesn't register. Now the database of the web wallet has been put down until when the maintenance on the web wallet is done. Prior to when the maintenance is done, that is when you can continue activity. So even on it also affects the thebillioncoin.info. I don't know if you've noticed this, but when you're trying to request a new wallet for users, that is if you want to send TBC to people who are already who have registered before October, there is instructions that we should request new wallet. So for those that have tried it, you get that error message. Now this is because the database of the web wallet has been put down, so it's affecting these other websites. Please, let's get this. So let's not go onto social media and start causing panic or start saying all sorts of things, start making all sorts of complaints. TBC is still running. TBC still rocks. TBC is making all this maintenance and putting all this in place for our own good. All this maintenance, optimization, upgrade of the database, repair, cleanup, they are for our own good. Therefore, to create more accuracy and more speed on this website, to enhance them. So that is what I want you guys to get today. So for now, you won't be able to register on the Kringles cash registration page. On the registration page, you won't be able to register now because the web wallet tbc004.net web wallet TBC wallet database have been put down, so you can't do registrations for now. So prior to when this optimization, prior to when this maintenance on the web wallet will be done, so immediately it's done, the admin will inform us. In one way or the other, you get information that is done, and activity can continue as normal. So guys, let's stop causing panic on social media. Let's stop complaining. These complaints won't help the TBC community. These are just, we have been informed before time. We have been informed that the maintenance is going to be going on. So this is not a cause for alarm. We should take it. We have been informed. The admin is actually aware. They are actually maintaining the site. The database is undergoing optimization. So let's take our time. Let's relax. Keep promoting TBC. Keep telling people about TBC. When the time comes, you start registration again. Okay. So I hope you guys get that. I want to see less complaints on social media. Now, what I will advise everybody listening to this to do, whenever you see such complaints, let them know. Let these people know. You can actually share this video so that others can get it, or from this information I have given out, you can let others know. You can tell them when they ask these questions. Thank you very much. If there's any other thing, I'll make other videos, and I'll let the TBC community know. This is Hanwa Festus, aka Feshibaba, all the way from Nigeria. TBC rocks worldwide, guys. TBC rocks worldwide.